The science of sleep. Why we sleep and how to improve it. Why do we need sleep, and what happens to our brain and body while we snooze? Let's dive into the science of sleep and how to make sure you're getting enough of it. Why did the blanket go to therapy? Because it had too much baggage from its past sleepovers. Stages of sleep. Sleep is divided into two main types: REM, rapid eye movement, and NREM, non-REM, sleep. Each serves different functions, from memory consolidation to body repair. Circadian rhythm. Our sleep-wake cycle, or circadian rhythm, is regulated by an internal biological clock that responds to light and darkness. Sleep and memory. Sleep helps solidify and organize memories. During REM sleep, the brain processes the day's experiences and stores important information. The role of melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal gland that signals the body it's time to sleep. Light exposure, especially blue light, can disrupt melatonin production. Sleep deprivation effects. Lack of sleep impairs cognitive function, mood, and physical health. Chronic sleep deprivation can increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. REM versus non-REM. REM sleep is when most dreaming occurs, and it's essential for emotional regulation. Non-REM sleep, especially deep sleep, is crucial for physical recovery. Sleep disorders. Insomnia, sleep apnea, and narcolepsy are common sleep disorders that interfere with normal sleep patterns and can impact daily life. Sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene includes maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment. The role of naps. Short naps, 20 to 30 minutes, can boost alertness and performance without interfering with nighttime sleep, but long naps might leave you groggy. Dreams and their purpose. While the exact purpose of dreams is still a mystery, some theories suggest that dreams help us process emotions, solve problems, or simulate threats. Impact of technology on sleep. Excessive screen time, especially before bed, can disrupt sleep patterns by reducing melatonin levels and keeping the brain alert. Exercise and sleep. Regular exercise can improve sleep quality and duration, but exercising too close to bedtime might have the opposite effect. Sleep and aging. As we age, our sleep patterns change. Older adults tend to sleep less deeply and wake up more frequently during the night. Sleep is essential for both mental and physical health, allowing the brain and body to recover and reset. Prioritizing good sleep habits can improve overall well-being and cognitive function. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.